Hi everyone, myself Dr. Pradnya. I am an ophthalmologist. Welcome to my channel Doc Vertex. This channel is all about vision, eye, various ocular diseases, causes of various ocular diseases, symptoms, signs, treatment, prevention and precautions. So if you want information about all this, you have to subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon to get notification for recent videos. Now today I am going to tell you how to put eye ointment properly. Eye ointment is prescribed by for most of the ocular diseases such as conjunctivitis, corneal ulcer, corneal abrasion. Ointment is most effective if ointment is put during night time, as it make a protective sheet on the eye and get most properly absorbed during the night time. But the ointment is ointments are quite thick and messy to put into the eye. So I am going to tell you how to put the ointment in a eye properly. First you have to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water and make sure that your face and lids are also clean, so that there will be no any source of infection. And most of the ointments have inbuilt hole in that. You do not have to make a hole. Before using any ointment or any drop, you have to check for any expiry date. After checking for any expiry date, you can put the ointment as prescribed your ophthalmologist. Please do not put any ointment without the prescription of the ophthalmologist. First you have to pull your lower lid with a non-dominant hand, and you have to just pull your lower lid, and then with the help of mirror or if somebody is helping you, that is best. You have to apply this ointment with the help of the applicator, to just pull the lower lid and put the ointment into the eye and make a single line, and that's it. You will have slight blurring of vision after putting the ointment, as it make a sheet on the eye, and you have to clean the excess of the ointment if you are putting during the daytime with the sterile swab or wipes. And that's it. Most of the patients do not know how to put the ointment, hence they fail to put the ointment properly in the eye, and they do not get a good result out of that. So everybody should know how to put an ointment properly into the eye. There are certain tips to get best results out of these ointments. Tip number 1: if you have been prescribed the drops and ointments together, please put drops earlier and ointment at the last, as the ointment will make a sheet on the eye and prevent the absorption of the drop if you put the drop later. So please put the drops earlier and ointment at the last. And tip number 2: if you are using contact lens, please remove the contact lens and then put the ointment. If your ophthalmologist has advised you to put ointment along with the contact lens, then it is fine. Otherwise, please remove the contact lens and then put the ointment. And if your applicator get infected when you touch the lid or a fingertip, you have to clean that applicator with a 99% alcohol, and you will get the best result out of this. Hence ointment is very effective in a treatment. If you have been prescribed a drop and an ointment of a same group or a same antibiotic, then ointment is more helpful than the drop. ointment has been prescribed for most of the ocular diseases. Hence, to get the best result, you have to apply the ointment as shown in this video. If this video is helpful for you, please like and share this video with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel and please hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.